Hello English learners, how are you today? I hope you're all stay healthy and always excited to keep learning. In today's video, we're going to learn English again in a fun and relaxed way through simple questions and answers in English. This video includes 50 example Q&A conversations that you can practice at home. It's perfect for beginners or for anyone who wants to improve their everyday English conversation skills. Don't forget to click like if you enjoy this video, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more fun learning videos. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 5:30 in the morning.
Do you brush your teeth after waking up?
Yes, I always brush my teeth first.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink a glass of water.
Do you take a shower before breakfast?
Yes, I like to shower early.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and rice.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
No, I eat with my family.
Do you prepare your own breakfast?
Sometimes I do, especially on weekends.
Do you help with cleaning the house?
Yes, I clean my room and sweep the floor.
Who usually cleans the kitchen?
My mom usually does it.
What chores do you like the most?
I enjoy watering the plants.
How often do you clean your bedroom?
I clean it every 2 days.
What do you do after cleaning your room?
I take a short rest or drink tea.
Where do you keep your school books at home?
I keep them on a small shelf in my room.
When do you do your homework?
I usually do it after lunch.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Yes, I take a nap for about 30 minutes.
What do you usually do after waking up from a nap?
I wash my face and get ready to study.
Do you study alone or with someone?
I usually study by myself.
Do you like reading at home?
Yes, I enjoy reading short stories.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Sometimes I do, but only soft music.
What time do you finish your homework?
Around 5 p.m.
Do you help your parents cook dinner?
Yes, I help cut vegetables.
What's your favorite food at home?
I love spaghetti and soup.
Do you usually have dinner with your family?
Yes, we all eat together at night.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax and watch some videos.
How often do you do the laundry?
I do it once a week.
Do you fold your clothes by yourself?
Yes, I fold them after drying.
What do you wear when you are at home?
I wear comfortable clothes like t-shirts.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch my favorite show.
What kind of programs do you like?
I like cooking shows and comedies.
Do you spend time with your siblings at home?
Yes, we sometimes play board games.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a small dog.
What do you do with your pet?
I play with it and give it food.
Do you take your pet for a walk?
Yes, every morning and evening.
Do you like staying at home?
Yes, it's comfortable and peaceful.
Do you work out at home?
Yes, I do some stretching in the morning.
Do you use your phone a lot at home?
I use it mostly for learning or listening to music.
What do you do before going to bed?
I write a short diary and pray.
What time do you usually sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you turn off your phone before sleeping?
Yes, I put it on silent mode.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
I feel tired, but happy.
Do you plan your day in the morning?
Yes, I like to make a to-do list.
Do you ever cook by yourself?
Yes, I try to cook simple meals.
How do you keep your room tidy?
I put things back where they belong.
Do you enjoy cleaning the house?
Sometimes I do, when I play music.
What's your favorite time of day at home?
I like the evening because it's relaxing.
Do you ever study at night?
Yes, if I have an assignment.
How do you wake up in the morning?
I use an alarm on my phone.
Do you like quiet time at home?
Yes, it helps me focus and relax.
What do you usually dream about?
Sometimes I dream about going on vacation.